Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another useful video where I will be talking about one of the most useful features that you can find in iOS devices. So if you are an iPhone user, this video is going to be a lot helpful for you. So make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, so the feature that I'm going to talk about in today's video is the low power mode that you can find on any iPhone device. Alright, so this feature is going to be a lot useful for you even when your iPhone is not about to die. Alright, low power mode is a feature that reduces the amount of power your iPhone uses, which extends the life of its battery. So you will know the feature is activated when the battery icon at the top right hand corner of the screen is yellow. Now, if you are wondering how does low power mode work, when you enable low power mode, it turns off some power hungry features that are not completely important for you. Alright, so for example, if you turn it on, your iPhone will stop using 5G cellular service, it will stop uploading photos to iCloud Photos, and it will disable the apps from refreshing in the background. Alright, and this will also take other power saving actions. So low power mode automatically turns on when your phone's battery runs low, or you can even manually activate it anytime if you want to reserve your battery life for longer. So now I will show you how you can turn on low power mode on your iPhone device. Alright, so on your iPhone device you just have to open the settings app, and here you need to scroll down a bit till you find the battery section. You just have to open it, and here you will find the option low power mode that says it temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So if you want to preserve your battery for long, and if you don't want to drain it early, you can keep it on, and this will turn the battery color yellow, as you can see in the top right. Alright, so that's how you can turn it on manually. And if your battery is already low, the low power mode is automatically gets turned on. Alright, so if you want to turn it off, you can get back to this section, the battery section, and you can easily turn it off. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and make sure you press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.